Hey everyone, so I'm just making this quick video to show you how to update the Sonicware SmpleTrek to the 2.0 firmware update. So you just take the SD card, internal SD card that you have on your Sonicware, put it in your computer, download the update. There's a bin file. Put the bin file in the root folder of the SD card, take it out, and put it back in the unit. Once it's in the unit, you just hold down the system, you hold down the home button, which is the system button, and you turn the power on the back, and you'll be prompted with this display. And these are the different boot modes, and we are going to go to System Update, which is the middle one, okay? And then we're going to hit the OK button, and that's it. It is updating. And it's asking, are you sure? We say yes. And it is now doing the update. And that's it. And then you'll have all the new features of 2.0. If you want to really get in depth and learn all about this unit and the updates that are available, I recommend checking out Chris Lodi's videos. They're excellent. I've also made a few, but his videos get real in-depth and crazy, and he's excellent. So I hope this helped you. Very easy to do on this unit. Takes a couple of minutes, but that's it. All right, so enjoy, and I'll be doing some new videos in the future. Peace out.